Hey guys, welcome to the Ameripino channel. I'm Jeff. Have I got a DIY project for you today? This is for your pots and pans, how to hang them from the wall. And I spent less than $20. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in a second. Okay, so here's the DIY pot and pan holder I built out of all the materials that I could find at Tractor Supply. You can find most of the stuff even in Home Depot, Lowe's, any building supply company. It was a real simple deal to do. So the aluminum stripping I bought is 2 inches wide, 1/8 inch thick, and was 6 feet long. I got it home, I cut it in half. So my racking system here is 3 feet. And all I did was split the material width to 1 inch, and that's where I drilled all my holes. So I have 3 mounting holes for the wall. I drilled into the studs. I have them one in the middle, one on each end, and they're offset 1 inch from the end. So then I went 1 inch off from that and then spaced every 2 inches all the way across and drilled holes out just slightly larger than the S-hooks. Bent the S-hooks so they won't pull out when you take a pot or a pan off the rack. And this has been an awesome deal. So I used rubber insulated like roofing bolts that are 4 inches long. These you can get, like I said, they sell them at Tractor Supply and that. They were probably like the most expensive thing I bought. Like I said, I paid around $20 to build this. And some of the hooks I have, they're left over from old ceiling racks that just weren't working. They were dropping pots and pans and bending, and I wasn't a happy camper with it. So this is the system. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple DIY. It won't take you but maybe an hour, hour and a half. And like I said, it was around $20, and I love it. It's just so much easier to find the pot that you need without having to dig through a baseboard cabinet or behind stuff that's hanging. The hanging rack was always getting in the way. My wife is short, as you know, so it's difficult for her to lift a pot off a hanging ceiling rack. She was always denting them. So this is definitely a DIY you should look at doing. And if you don't have the tools, I'm sure you have friends that you could have do it, or you could get a hold of somebody on Facebook. Just ask them, could you drill something for me? I'm wanting to do this project, and I'll tell you what, you're gonna love it. It's real simple. It looks nice. I just sand the edges to take away all the sharp edges on it, and you'll be good. So I hope you enjoy this video.